Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to find out India's few important space missions which we are all looking forward to in this decade. So, let's begin. The most important mission of them all is our Gaganyaan program. The objective of Gaganyaan program is to demonstrate indigenous capability to undertake human space flight mission to low Earth orbit, also known as LEO. As part of this program, 2 unmanned missions and 1 manned mission are approved by Government of India. The uncrewed mission are for technology demonstration, safety and reliability verification and will be heavily instrumented to study the performance of systems before crewed flight. The major new technologies required for Gaganyaan program are as follows. 1. Human rated launch vehicle. 2. Crew escape system. 3. Habitual orbital module. And 4. Life support system. And 5. Crew selection and training associated with crew management activities, in which 3 astronauts would spend 7 days in space. The total cost of Gaganyaan program is approximately 9,023 crores. After the successful completion of Gaganyaan program, the next step will focus towards achieving capability for a sustained human presence in space. So activities associated with space station will be an extension of Gaganyaan program. The next mission is Aditya L1, which is the first Indian mission to study the sun. So let's find out more about Aditya L1. The current Aditya L1 mission was initially called as Aditya 1 and was conceived as a 400 kg class satellite carrying 1 payload, the visible emission line coronagraph, and was planned to launch in an 800 km low Earth orbit. However, a satellite placed in the halo orbit around the Lagrangian point 1 of Sun-Earth system has the major advantage of continuously viewing the sun without any eclipses. Therefore, Aditya 1 mission has now been renamed as Aditya L1 mission and will be inserted in a halo orbit around the L1, which is approximately 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. The satellite carries additional 6 payloads with enhanced science and scope objectives. However, the main payload continues to be the coronagraph with improved capabilities. The complete list of payloads, their science objective, and lead institute for developing the payload is provided in the description of this video. So please have a look. With the inclusion of the multiple payloads, this project also provides an opportunity to solar scientists from multiple institutions within the country to participate in space-based instrumentation and observations. Thus, the enhanced Aditya L1 project will enable a comprehensive understanding of the dynamical process of the sun and address some of the outstanding problems in solar physics. The launch date is Q3 2022. The rocket which would carry the payload be PSLV XL. The launch site would be Satish Dhawan Space Center or Sriharikota. As of July 2019, the mission has an allocated cost of 378.53 crores excluding the launch cost. The next mission is Chandrayaan 3. Following Chandrayaan 2, where a last-minute glitch in the soft landing guidance software led to the failure of the lander's soft landing attempt after a successful orbital insertion, another lunar mission for demonstrating soft landing was proposed. So Chandrayaan 3 will be a mission repeat of Chandrayaan 2, but will only include a lander and a rover like that of Chandrayaan 2. It will not have an orbiter, and the spacecraft is planned to be launched in the third quarter of 2022. possibly September 2022. The next mission is Shukrayaan. Shukrayaan is a proposed orbiter to Venus by ISRO to study the surface and atmosphere of Venus. The orbiter, depending on its final configuration, would have a science payload capability of approximately 100 kilograms with 500-watt available power. The initial elliptical orbit around Venus is expected to have 500 kilometers at periapsis and 60,000 kilometers at apophysis, which is closest and the farthest orbital ranges. The mission duration is planned for 4 years. Launch mass of the vehicle would be 2,500 kgs. Payload mass is approximately 100 kgs. Power would be 500 watts for payload, which is 0.06 horsepower. Launch date is planned for December 2024 and also have a backup plan date, which is mid 2026. Rocket to launch this payload would be GSLV Mark II. Launch site Satish Dhawan Space Center or Sriharikota. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing for such interesting videos in the future.